Here we go, guys. Just a real quick video on AMD. This is a 2-minute chart. Every candle up here so far is, the opening of the day, May 23rd. Each one's a 2-minute timeline there. We have about 40 something seconds on this current candle, but see all these wicks, it's being sold off, sold off, sold off. Now, if we get a clearing bar, a green one, like this, that keeps going and closes up here, clears out all that out, takes it out on AMD, we'll look for a potential long position. But as far as it keeps moving up, selling off, moving up, selling off, we'll look for another distinct candle, possibly to the downside, red candle that takes all the wicks out at the bottom. But right now, actually, it's looking pretty good. Buy volume coming in. There's a new candle coming up. Let's see if we can't grab that. Is it cleared the top here? I'm gonna go ahead and take it. Well, 349. Of course, we'll probably keep driving higher. Just look at the hourly chart. It's got to be something up there. Yeah, this little high pivot over here. Cross there. Let's make that red. There's always something over on the left-hand side, unless at all-time highs and it's going higher. This little pivot up here that kind of, um, started this downflow to the downside here. But let's go back to the 15, see what that one. Yeah, a little bit of sell-off. We didn't really come up there to that point. Now, if it takes out, this candle closes red, takes itself out, so to speak. We'll do that again to the downside, short here. But it didn't come up there. I mean, it did, but not really where we'd want it. But I'm just going to kind of stay neutral here unless, we get a red candle next to take that out. But it seems to be holding up. We'll see what happens, if and when it comes up into that red dash line there. Actually putting in a decent candle here. Got about 3 seconds to go. Both these candles are pretty decent size, but what I'm concerned about is the gap distance above that zone there. Less than a minute and a half here. We're waiting on to see if we get just a pause candle here, small candle. Then the next one we get another green bar, clearing bar up, which would be very. Look at the daily here. Yeah, it's coming up into that zone. It's a pretty good little setup here off the 20. Little mild pullback, shallow pullback, and then here we go. Maybe about 40 something seconds. So let me put you on pause, and we might be in there now. Clear that. We'll look for a potential short position here. Looks a little weaker. You start taking out that much in the candle. Previous on this green one here. And about 10 seconds left. And if we take the low of that red candle, we'll get in there. Yeah. Don't get too, oh, what? Too greedy here. Okay, guys, thanks for playing along. Anyway, yeah, that'll do it for AMD for this morning. I don't know, we might try to look at another play coming up. But most important thing, thanks so much for being members, and we will see you on the charts.